Story time, Hiccups. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh boy, I'm so excited. Yes.
Because I have a great story to tell. Disney Frozen. Olaf's 1, 2, freeze.
Ooh, I love Olaf. Me too.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Come on, Paige.
Squid?
Yes?
I am not an expert on books' angles, but I think you have to stretch out the book a little more.
Oh, yeah. Dun. Much better. There we go. Dun.
Yes, that is more correct.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, let's hear the story.
All right. Let's count, starting with... Wait, what? Whoa! Me, see? Squid? I think you have the hiccups.
No, I
Don't.
You can't sing or count with the hiccups. Oh, sure I can. Watch this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Ah! Dun, 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 dun. Well, I can at least count. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, dun, dun, dun. You're right. I do have hiccups.
Oh, how am I ever going to be able to read the story? Don't worry. We can try some hiccup cures. I heard there's a very popular hiccup cure. What is that? You can drink a glass of water backwards.
How is that possible?
I'll show you.
Whoa!
This bottle is filled up with water. Now, try to drink it backwards, like this.
Dun.
Like that. Or more similarly, like this. Ooh. That sounds hard. Don't worry. Drinking water backwards can help you cure the hiccups.
Okay, if you say so. My. Oh, sorry, Pete.
Don't worry about it.
All right, here it goes.
Oh, sucking water back in the bottle. Very clever trick.
Darn.
Well, that
Didn't work.
right.
Ouch! Can't a dog get any peace and quiet?
Oh, I threw that at you? I am so sorry.
Wait, you threw that on me?
Yes, we are trying to help Squid with his hiccups. I am worried. What if my hiccups are chronic? They could last forever.
Don't worry, I have hiccups all the time. Oops, Tatar.
Oh, poor
Buddy.
Now we have to get them both cured.
Ow! Well, I heard of a hiccup cure. It is called the hiccup polka.
What's the hiccup polka?
It's a dance to help people get rid of the hiccups. Ow! We have to stand up to do it. Stop hiccuping, Byron. Yeah. Yeah.
Now, stop screaming and let's keep dancing. Woot.
You're right. Do the hiccup polka, do the hiccup polka, do the hiccup polka, yes, do the hiccup polka. Do the hiccup polka, do the hiccup. Let's start you off with some very simple moves. One, two, three, do.
Hey, my hiccups are gone.
Darn. Well, at least I can try to get rid of my own. Didn't work for me or you.
Oh, great. Now the dance didn't work.
Darn.
What should we do to get rid of our hiccups now? Oh, I have an idea. What if we drink water more slowly?
More slowly?
Yes, if you drink water way too fast, that can cause hiccups. What if we drink another cup of water, but this time even slower?
And I get to drink forward instead of backward?
Yes, a regular way. Here's another copy filled with water.
Water. The perfect inorganic compound to a dog's and squid's nutrients. Darn.
Tuck in, you two.
All right, I swallowed the water. Is that how you swallow?
Yes.
I sometimes bob my head like this to push the water down my neck. Like this. So that I don't choke. Wow. Let's see if my hiccups are gone.
Hey, I think it's working.
Darn. Well, I can give that a go. I slurp up whatever water I have left over on my beard so that it doesn't get wet.
Wait, that's your beard?
Yeah, I actually shave it once a year. Doctor.
Oh, Byron.
Let's see if mine are gone. Oh, yes! My hiccups are gone. Water did the trick. But Squid still has the hiccups. Sorry, Squid, but it looks like water didn't work for you. But it worked for me. Woohoo! Bye-bye.
Woo! All right, let's put this back. There must be another way to get rid of your hiccups.
Excuse me.
Oh. Yeah, there must be another way to do that. How? dear. Well, there is another way you can get rid of hiccups. What's that? You have to eat a pineapple in order for this trick to work.
A pineapple?
Did he say pineapple? Is saying pineapple a good trick to use? Well, saying pineapple may work for some people, but not all people. Like you. You already know how to say pineapple.
Yeah.
And plus, it's pretty boring to see pineapples everywhere in life.
Well, instead of saying pineapple, you can eat a pineapple.
But where can we get a pineapple? What about if I made you pineapple juice? That way you will not have to venture to find a pineapple yourself. Oh, that's a great idea! Thank you very much!
Darn.
Making the smoothie. It's the same bottle,
But now with the smoothie.
Oh, that's good. Here, I'll give this to you. Thanks, baby boo monkey.
It's kind of hard for me to swallow. Hold on a second. There's no other choice. Is what you do if you can't swallow this type of smoothie? Yeah, sometimes pieces of pineapple can get stuck. Let's see if I have hiccups.
Wow! It worked! I think they stopped.
Darn. Oh dear, Squid still has the hiccups.
Oh, bother. We'll find you another way. Well, there must be another way. Ding! I've got it. Oot. I have the perfect technique. Squid, come here.
Darn.
Now, Squid, face me. I know you are not going to like this, but I'm going to scare you, just to get rid of your hiccups.
Okay.
Remember, this is just for your hiccups, okay? It's not anything intentional.
Oh my gosh! Right in the coronal artery. Oh. Wait a second.
My hiccups are gone! We did it! Oh boy, we did it! Turns out scaring people can get rid of the hiccups. And I think it's the main cure. Yes! No more hiccups for me! Woohoo! Now then, I can start the story. Let's count, starting with me. See? I have 1 carrot nose, 2 very happy arms, and 3 buttons on my tummy. These lines are very cute to read.
And then, as Squid continued on with the story, everybody had a good time.
Here's a cup of cocoa with 10 marshmallows. Go ahead, Sven. You could thank me with a kiss. The
And
Aw, that was a good story. Yes.
Durn,
But now I think we have to put this back.
durn.
There we go. Good as new. Excuse me. Oh, Peep? Peep? Now you have the hiccups. Oh, boy. Oh, bring it in with all these silly hiccups. Ooh, silly Peep.
Sometimes hiccups can have unexpected surprises you weren't really expecting. And sometimes they're as simple as BOW! Oh boy. Looks like you're not scared easily. Nope, I'm not. Time for another technique. And that puts an end to this story.